What's up guys, Andre here, Kingdom Floor Care. I'm out here in Mesa today with a client who booked us out for a shower restoration, and we're also doing a small medallion, just clean and color seal for them. Pretty cool stuff. This client found us on Google and booked us out for a marble top restoration. Got some nice travertine with the marble medallion. But before we go into here, I'll kind of show you what we did for her last time. She booked us out for this. This had some severe etching. We honed those surfaces down, polished them up, and then sealed them off. They look wonderful. Same thing over here. This is like a black marble. Now she's got some smudges on there since we've been here, but it is what it is. Next thing coming in here, this is where the shower and that small medallion is at. So here you can see the shower. Pretty nasty grout. Right now we're doing a Mildewcide treatment on there, so we're letting that sit as well. We clean this, and we provided a demonstration right here of what that color seal is going to look like once it's done. That's what we're doing today over here in Mesa, Arizona. That's Chris. We'll be able to include some videos of a little bit about the process, and then we'll show you the end result. Stay tuned. So when it comes to a shower, we're looking at restoring. We look for little orange spots like right there. That's to kind of hint that mold or mildew may be growing behind the surface. We assess the drain and the loopholes, making sure that there's no moisture getting under the floor pan or getting trapped in places that are going to produce more and more mold. And we obviously look at the grout. Sometimes grout needs to be completely taken out and re-grouted. It's something that's going to be more versatile for your shower floor pan. This grout is good. We're just going to do a cleaning, and we're going to do a color seal on this before we throw on our final sealer, which is going to be a Rexpro Affinity Chameleon. If you see here, up on that wall, you see that's hard water, soap scum. We're going to address that, take that completely out, and we're going to get the shower back to health. So look brand new. We're going to hand detail all the fixtures here, those spots. Get that looking glossy again, and get it looking good. All right. Chris on the color seal. And this is clean, and this looks good. But we want that high-end, continuous floor look. Eliminate those grids. What's up guys, Andre here. I'm just showing you what the finished product looks like until we seal it. So opening the shower, check that out. Like brand new. So we took away all this old caulking that was bad, gross, compromised. Assess the drain as you saw, and then the same with this rug medallion right here. So that's what we're in the business for: restoration, preservation, cleaning, and a brand new looking shower for a client who's very happy. Took care of all these fixtures, glass,